Wake up, Bing Bing! It's teamwork time. Play, Ranger.
I can't sleep. Oh, I really want to make the giant fruit trophy right now. Ooh, this is gonna be the best surprise ever.
Hey, Bing Bing, you have the big race in the morning. Shouldn't you be sleeping?
Oh, I'll go back to bed soon. I have to make this surprise fruit trophy really big for the winners. And hopefully, that will be us.
Okay, good night.
Ooh. Must finish fruit trophy, then go to sleep. Where am I? Oh no! I gotta build it again. Oh, so tired. Oh, I don't feel good. Huh? Yikes! I was up almost the whole night. If I go to bed now, maybe I can sleep for an hour.
I slept great last night.
Me too. Let's get this race cart to the starting line. Where's Bing Bing? Bing Bing! It's race time!
All right. Oh, the race. I'll meet you there. Must go to race. Must not go back to bed. Oh.
Where's Bing Bing? He should be here by now.
Oh no! I fell back asleep! I gotta get to the starting line! And bring the fruit trophy! Yeah! I'm so tired. It's hard to move.
Ahem! Attention, all racers! It's time to begin the first ever Playville Super Speedster Race! All right, let's get it started!
Oh, great. We're ready to start, but our whole team isn't here.
Here I come! Wait for me!
Uh-oh. Watch out!
Oh no, this isn't good. But that's worse! Boing! Mungbar! I'm coming! Sorry I was late.
We gotta stop this thing now! Everybody slam down on the brake pedals as hard as you can! 1, 2, 3! It's okay! We have everything under control!
I have a mission for you! A little help, please? Thank you. Play Rangers, all the race carts are speeding down the hill out of control with nobody in them!
We have to stop those carts before they roll right into the crowd!
Boing, this is all my fault. I feel terrible.
Bing Bing, don't worry. We will stop those carts if we all work together. Play Rangers!
It's
teamwork time! Bing Bing, I need a merry-go-round.
Got it!
Mongbar, monkey bar arms.
I'm on it!
Get ready to rotate your body on my command. Mongbar, hold your arms tight.
Yeah!
We're gonna wipe these carts away. Okay, you guys are gonna help too. Now, when I say duck, everyone has to duck like this, really fast. Got it! Wipe! Duck!
Boing! Look out! More carts are headed your way!
Get ready, everyone! Wipe! Duck! Wipe! Duck! Wipe! Duck!
You did it!
Hold on. There were 7 carts in the race. And including ours, there's only 6 here.
We're missing one. Oh. There it is!
My baby! I'll handle this one. Bye. Yeah!
My baby! Oh, I'm so glad you're okay. Thank you, boy.
Hey guys, I'm really sorry all this happened. If I had gotten more sleep last night, I'd have a lot more energy today.
It's okay, Bing Bing. We'll try again next year.
And next year, I'll get lots of sleep. I promise. Is everyone okay?
We were so worried.
Everyone is just fine, thanks to Boing and the Play Rangers!
And thanks to everyone here, especially the kids. You all were very brave today. You also deserve a big thank you.
They deserve something else, too. Wait here. This was supposed to be a surprise trophy for the winning team, but today, you guys deserve this. Here you go, a healthy fruit trophy snack.
Wow, thanks, Bing Bing.
Great idea, Bing Bing.
Thank you. Oh, I can't seem to wake up. Okay, why fight it? Nap time. I think I'll nap in my bed.
Good idea.